Alright, so for tonight, for dinner, on top of the mountain, we're going to do mountain house, and it's going to be lasagna with meat sauce. I guess this is one of the popular ones, so hey, let's give it a try. Alright, so this is the MSR WindBurner. I wanted to get one of these. I always wanted to get one of these. I was looking at the jet boils too, but I was reading the reviews and everybody's saying that the MSRs are a little bit better, especially in the wind. So that's why I wanted to get that, since I'm going to high peaks. If I want to get something to eat or boil some water up top, gets pretty windy up there. So they're saying that this one's the best for wind. So what we got here is the MSR fuel canister. This is the bigger one. They do make a smaller one that actually fits right inside here, and I will be taking that on the high peaks because it'd be more compact and I can have more room in my bag. You don't gotta lug this big thing around, but this isn't a bad hike at all, and it does give it more stability when it's sitting on top, so that's why I brought this one. Alright, so the first thing I do when I'm preparing this is I take this cup off, because you want this cup off, because if you leave it on and you put it on the burner, you will absolutely melt this. So this is the first thing I take off first, so I don't forget it. Then you open the top, put the lid to the side, and the first thing you get is a little stand. And on this stand, you have like 2 clips. The first one is for the smaller fuel canister, and the second one is for the bigger fuel canisters. The best way I found out how to clip these is you clip 2 sides first, and then you work the other one in just like that. Now you have stability. Alright, so the next step is to take out the actual burner. There's going to be a little handle here that you want to pop that out, and there's actually a plus or minus sign on the handle. It's written real small, and that's to turn it higher or lower depending on the temp you want. You're going to take this and screw it right on top of the fuel canister until it doesn't go no more. Just like that. Alright, so for our next step, we want to light the stove. I have this little MSR igniter. It's supposed to be wind protected, but some people say this doesn't really work that well. So I bring a small lighter too, just in case it doesn't. As you guys see, it doesn't work that well, so we're going to use the lighter. So there is a piece of metal on top that glows that tells you that it is lit. So the next step is, do not put this on this without any water. You will burn all this off. You need to put water in your cup before you put it on the stove. So this meal calls for ounces of water. And inside the cup, there is liters and ounces on the side so you can measure it. Now we're going to take our top, we're going to put it right on there snug. Just like that. And we're going to put it right on top. We're going to grasp this holder and we're going to turn it and lock it in. Then we wait till it boils. Alright, so we opened our pack, and there is like a little fresh keeper thing in there, so make sure you take that out. It's calm. So we're gonna take our boiled water that we just boiled, and we're just gonna pour it right in there. As you can see, it's still pretty warm. It actually smells pretty good. Looks like lasagna. Gonna set it back on top because the pie's still pretty hot. And you're gonna zipper this right back up. Just like, if I can get it, just like that. And you're gonna let that sit for 5 minutes, and then you're gonna reopen it, and you're gonna stir it, and then you're gonna zipper it back up for 4 minutes, and then you should be all set. All right, guys, it's been about 5 minutes. I just want to show you guys this. I got this on Amazon. I think it's called On Blue or something like that. I don't know, I'll put it in the description below. But look, it's like a Swiss Army knife. You got your spoon, you got your fork, and you got like a can opener and like a little knife. I just thought that was pretty cool. So we're gonna take our spoon, we're gonna open this up, and we're gonna stir it and then we're gonna reseal it for 4 minutes. Alright guys, it's been about 4 minutes. Let's check what we got here. Oh yeah, that looks good. But I'm gonna hurry up, climb the tower, so I can catch that sunset. Alright, let's do it. It's actually really good. I highly recommend the lasagna with the meat sauce. Definitely.